Hello, my name is Marta, founder of OpenCPD. OpenCPD helps training providers create professional, verifiable CPD certificates and badges quickly and affordably. If you run courses, workshops, webinars, or other learning activities, OpenCPD gives you a faster and more flexible way to recognize what your learners have achieved. Getting started is simple. In as little as a day, you can set up your provider profile, add your course details, and start issuing certificates that look professional and are easy to share and verify. So whether you're an independent trainer, a growing training business, or a larger organization, OpenCPD helps you stay in control while adding more value for your learners. It's a practical, modern approach to CPD built for today's training providers. Thanks for watching. To learn more, get in touch or explore OpenCPD online.